I've been testing both the Sony A7RVI and the Sony A7 II, and honestly, the gap between them is more about who they're built for than pure image quality. The A7RVI is the surprise here. You're getting a massive 66.8 MP stacked sensor and up to 30 FPS shooting, which is wild for a body at $4,499. In real use, it's insanely flexible, perfect for landscapes, portraits, and even weddings where you still want speed and heavy cropping power. The new processor also makes autofocus feel very responsive and modern. But the A1 II is still the no-compromises machine. At $6,499, it's built for sports and wildlife pros. The faster sensor readout basically kills rolling shutter, and the autofocus tracking is just more relentless when subjects are chaotic and unpredictable. So here's the simple breakdown. If you want resolution, versatility, and value, go A7R6. If you need absolute speed and reliability for pro action work, A1 II, no question.